invoices, a customized bill, and a rather complicated business. Here's how it works. A service is provided and an invoice is printed, then put in an envelope and posted to the service receiving company. The company will then manually type in the data from the invoice. Seems simple, sure, but multiply by thousands and enter the tricky part. Time and money spent on manually sending invoices around the world is enormous and an absolute waste. Just keeping track on the workflow can be a mess. Then it takes a ton of work when typing in the data from the huge amount of invoices that keeps flying in. Not to mention an obscene amount of space it requires to store and archive the invoices the company receives during the years. Finally, the cut down trees to produce the required amount of paper to print the invoices. All of a sudden, it doesn't seem that simple. But there is a solution. Cap Nordic Workflow. No more printing of invoices, wasting time and money on sending the invoices. This is done online, which only takes a second. With Cap Nordic Workflow, it's possible at all times to see how far the invoice has gone. It even recognizes invoices from companies and automatically passes it on to the right recipient. It extracts the data from the invoice digitally, leaving workers to do something more valuable with their time. Archiving is done on a hard drive and does not take up any space in the company. And the trees will grow bigger and more beautiful than ever before. Cap Nordic. Improve your document workflow.